Yes, people. So we're in Brixton Market, yeah. Addisa Barber, yeah. My bridging Artex is there. He does music as well, so make sure you go check out his music. His link is right here in the description. Yeah, we're there, man. Bare natural things are going on in the RINGO. Yeah, everything you need to health benefit yourself naturally. No tablets, no form of, it's just natural medicine. You get me? So bare things going on. Yeah, man. So bare things are going. Everything, man. The roots drinks, the stamina drink, you know, literally anything. You know, the moringa seeds and everything. CBD oil, everything. Can explain a couple things we have here, sir?
Jamaican black castor oil for all the year, them what they drop off. See it here? Okay. Straight from Jamaica, the Jamaica black castor oil, yeah? See the natural pain healer, them, yeah?
Alright.
Natural pain healer, golden detox, turmeric, ginger, cayenne, cinnamon, bragg's apple cider vinegar, dementia, Alzheimer's, pain in the back, joint pain, foot pain. See it here, and all of the ladies them want anything in them belly, fibroid and them something there.
Okay.
Turmeric, ginger, cayenne, cinnamon, bragg's apple cider vinegar, and no honey juice. Cut and clear.
Black rice, Rasta.
Yeah, man, the black rice, a gluten and starch, less gluten and less starch.
Okay.
So it takes longer to cook, but it's more wholesome. It's 100% more wholesome. Eat like food, real food, yeah? Funny you see me, see the funny yeah?
Yes.
A lot of people been asking about the funny. Good like how you make polenta or turn cornmeal, porridge.
Okay.
Funny.
Okay.
Yeah, promote on another thing.
So alright then, so what we are drinking right now, rich blend. Yeah, this is Artex drink, people. This is really good for like a lot of health benefits, but also, yeah, to build your stamina for your man then, you know. So
natural, bitters, cool and cleanse, blood cleanse.
yo, you can taste the freshness in it, yeah. You can taste the goodness, but you can taste the freshness. Yeah, Artex, big up yourself. Right in the middle of Brixton Market, you know, people.
Yes, I. You don't know the rich blend, you see it. Different general there.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why, So yeah, man, rich blend we are dealing with right now. You see me? Right inside the middle of Brixton Market. So if you want to get anything natural, just drop right here, sir, to the Rasta man, Artex, and say M. sent you, and he'll everything you need. You see me? Yeah.
Ready with the wash out the whole world. See it here? Right there. Wash out the whole of the corruption out of the world. See it here? Yes, RINGO vision. We are going to wash out corruption. The world need a what? Total cleanse. Too much war and destruction and bad mind and envious. We need to burn that and wash them out, cut and clear and cleanse themselves, my people.
Yeah, man, big up the bars fly movement, man. You see? Yeah, man, you don't know. I hit boss me in England. Hey, let me tell you something. You say RINGO, I'm a brother for life. You see me, I say, and you don't know, you know, big up the top rock. Yeah, man, a RINGO boss me. RINGO the first man find camera for me in England and bring me a Amasham arm. You see me, I say, I will never be ungrateful. Anything my brother say, Allah, RINGO vision.
See it there? People, you never know, say RINGO vision used to be a camera right now. Music RINGO used to deal with the people. Everything I gonna make sense soon, man. I see everything, man. We're there, man. Why are you?
Here they are the juice, so it's good. That is part of me have it.
It's the tropical fruit section. Oh, where you get that fruit there from? Why people, welcome to the tropical fruit section. Yes, you know I love this section, innit? Yeah man, so today people, the tropical fruit today is a Jamaican star apple. Yes people, so the Jamaican star apple. I know we've had the other Jamaican apple on here before, the rose apple, but this is the Jamaican star apple. Yeah, so I'm excited to get one of these. You get me? So the health benefits of these people, it helps to improve your digestive health, and they contain a good amount of fiber as well. Vitamin C helps control diabetes. Fiber helps the blood sugar under control, keep it under control. Rich in antioxidants, you get me? And it helps to prevent anemia. I always get that thing there wrong. I always get that word there. I can't pronounce it. But yeah, let's bust this and make you see what I'm going. So, as you can see inside, it's like a star. See there? Yeah man, nice and pretty, and you know what I'm saying? See the juice? Boy. Yeah man, so there you have it. Star apple, and you can see why they call it a star apple. Yes people, so you don't know, you see the star apple looking pretty and nice, and you've heard about all the goodness and the health benefits, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go straight in with the taste. So automatically, completely different taste for an apple. The texture's very, very soft. How could I explain the taste? It's sweet, it's not sour. Sweet but like milky. So like going along the lines of a soursop or custard apple kind of texture kind of thing. Maybe a little bit of kind of taste of like a soursop and a custard apple, but with a bit more of a sweetness and just a kind of different taste that can't really put. That bit was a bit dry there. Can't put my name on it. Pip there. Really nice though. Really, really nice. It's got just a, you know, some of them fruits have just got a distinctive taste. You just can't actually put your name on it, but yeah, it's nice and sweet, that kind of texture. So yeah, man, there you have it, Jamaican star apple. I'm gonna finish my star apple, and yeah, let's get back to the episode. Why y'all? To press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so there are outtakes. Can you explain the drink them to the people them?
You don't know enough. You see if you all like stamina daddy and the stamina mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I eat. You see me I say?
Alright.
Bed back down and bed. No, can't jump off my life. Africa thing of the past. If you have Irish man and rich blend, don't need Viagra. I eat the defend it.
Defend the thing from the floor to the top. I me defend me boot and me pattern.
Why y'all?
So we're talking about sugar free. Yeah.
Yeah man, natural honey. Do you know how much this costs? Hey.
I could have wine, right? So
Yeah.
What them say? This are the liquid gold. What them call this?
Yeah.
The liquid gold.
True man.
The honey
True, yeah.
and the agave. See it there? We're talking about sugar free.
Yeah.
100% honey and 100% agave syrup. Right, yeah, so sugar free. All of the juice, them and thing.
Man.
Oxygen, come again. Breathe in. Just that.
Internally, I feel like, I feel some.
Just breathe. And the first you feel here, make you walk all the stick. Try not leave the stick.
Yeah, the brand new single. Everything labelled, so everything your
Everything
own
labeled,
thing.
man,
Yeah.
I'm mad, man. You see it? So when you're ready, we have it just support, man. Alright, Addisa Baba, 19 Electric Avenue and Electric Lane. You don't know, alright, at Brixton that. You see it? Yeah, man.
People, the music, you see the link right here at the bottom, that's his Instagram. Follow him right now. Go check out the thing.
Hot.
Defend it. Whoops. Guys, we are on the run up to 50k. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Why?
Yes, it's it. The cayenne. This is the cayenne pepper, and this is it's hot. Fiery. So this is the pepper that is recommended for ulcers, for gas, for cold, for anything. In Jamaica they call it the bird pepper. You know why? Because the bird them love it, they will die for it. So if the birds and the animal, they didn't go to college or university, but they know that this is good. So why are we doing and playing with the righteousness? Wake up my people, open up on the eye and see it.
Big up, big up. All my Coco vibers, just big up, big up. Yeah, man. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why? Yes, my people, man. I just realised I didn't even finish the video properly, so I hope you enjoyed the episode. You get me? Yeah, man. Big up the Rasta man, them down there. Big up Heartex, you don't know how the thing set. All the health benefits, honestly, people. It's no good taking tablets and this and that. It's no good, man. You need natural remedies. So just go down there, Brixton, you get me, right in the market, Electric Avenue, you get me. So first of all, big up Addisa Baba, Heartex, and all the man them down there. Big up RINGO Vision every time. You don't know how the thing's set. Also, big up Vape Life _247. Yeah, him said big up M dot every time, your smile brighter than Jamaica sunshine. Yeah, man, why you don't know, man. Big up yourself. If you haven't seen the Teeth documentary part 2, go check it out. If you ain't seen part 1, go check it out as well. So, and also big up oh my God. I'm just going to put that one up. But this is serious. He says, lately I've been suffering from some pretty bad depression, which I watch all your videos and they make me so happy and stress-free. The positive, airy vibes you give make a huge difference. I'm always looking forward to the videos. It's also very inspirational how you kept persevering throughout the ridicule and always maintain that positive attitude. Bless, brother. So big up yourself, man. You get me? Stay strong, my bro. I'm glad to say the show kind of helps you in that way. And you know, I replied and I said, look, I'm not always this happy. But when I do Cook and Vibe, I just get a vibes, man. Anytime I'm doing Cook and Vibe, anytime I pick up the camera, and if it's a big up section, if it's a tropical fruit section, if I'm filming, I just have a vibes. And I know I have to be happy. And it's a positive thing. You understand? So, and obviously that shows and that, you know, inspires other people. So I'm glad, my bro, I will never stop. So you'll be blessed, man, because we have Cook and Vibe every Thursday, every Sunday. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know if people realise, but yeah, there's 2 a week now, Thursday and Sunday. So you get me. Why are you people? Big up yourself. I'll see you soon.